Here's the weather forecast for today for the United States area. Let's start off with the northern area around Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, northern Illinois, where Chicago is, and southern Wisconsin, between Madison, the capital of Wisconsin, and Milwaukee, along with Pennsylvania and western parts of New York, south of Buffalo. Now, here's what you can see. The green things on the radar from the weather channel that you see right there, it shows about rain. Now the green means light, but the red means it's not light. Now for the red is all the way New Orleans and around in Mississippi, Alabama, and it will continue to go through Georgia. So far, that's okay. So far it's 9:47 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Now, as you can see in the red area, so far west, in the capital of Louisiana, Baton Rouge, there's heavy rain in the red area, along with I think around east of the capital of Mississippi, Jackson, and a little bit of near the red area, but in the yellow, which is between the green and red, is in the northwestern area of Alabama and southern Tennessee, south of Nashville. Now at 10:04 Eastern Standard Time. Now at 10:04, the same things. It still looks normal, but as of right now, in the central area, there's some light rain going on in the areas of Iowa, Missouri, or at least the middle of Missouri, northern Illinois, Wisconsin, southern Wisconsin, for now, southern Michigan, India, like basically the entire state of Indiana, apparently possibly the entire state of Ohio, and the western area from around in the areas of from Pittsburgh and around Erie, Pennsylvania. There's some light rain as well. And then along with that, there's also some light rain north of Detroit and even south of it. So in southern Michigan and northern Michigan, both areas between Detroit, there's rain. Basically, in the northern area, Lansing, the capital of Michigan, have some rain already. Around Canada, where Windsor from Windsor, Canada, which is near Detroit, literally near Detroit, across the border, all the way up to the northeastern area of Toronto, right here, as you can see. There is some rain right here, along with, as you can see very closely around here, along with right here up to near Brookville or Oldensburg, New York. For Brookensville, right here in Canada. Now, as you can see right here, all along with around east of Boston and southern part of the Maine, south of Augusta, there's also rain as well. And then, so apparently, basically the entire state of Indiana, and I think most of Ohio is gonna experience some light rain today, along with southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and so far the heavy rain around the central area for Indiana so far is around south in Indianapolis and Bloomington area, and southeast area of Indianapolis. The yellow rain, which is like between hard rain and light rain in Ohio, is around west of Columbus and around the Cincinnati area, and again west from Chillicothe. That's a little hard to say. I apologize, and east of Dayton, or southeast of Dayton. What I'm trying to say. Around. So far in the East Coast, not much rain. Well, except if you count for Maine and Massachusetts and state of New York and Pennsylvania. There's not much rain going on. The only rain that's been going so far is light rain around here. The rain in the East Coast is Miami, around south of Miami, southwest of Tampa, and around here and north of Augusta, Georgia. There is some rain, a little bit of rain, and as you can see right here in North Carolina, south around the western North Carolina, the northern part of South Carolina, and the eastern part of Georgia, around north of Augusta, and along with the southeast area of Jefferson City, Tennessee. There's some light rain that is split up, so some areas will experience rain while others will not. So if you're traveling in some of these highways around here that you see on the screen, you could experience one part of weather on the road is sunshine or clouds, and then the other part is rain, and then stops raining again. If you experience that, that's only because some parts of light rain has been split up to different areas around the West North Carolina, North South Carolina, and north of Augusta and Georgia in this eastern area and northeastern of Georgia area. So some city locations that could experience some light rain around the areas include Sevierville around here in Tennessee, the North Carolina Hendersonville, Asheville, Morgantown, Leaner, Hickory, Satsville, Huntsville, Western Charlotte, Gastonia, Shelby can experience some light rain, along with Greenville, Seneca, Anderson, Spartansburg, and Rock Hill in those areas, along with the city locations north of Augusta, around here. Looks like not many cities are affected in eastern Georgia, but if you are in a little north of Augusta, Georgia, will experience some rain today. But so far the central area is experiencing a lot of rain, along with Pennsylvania and Ohio as well. This is actually surprising for me, because sometimes whenever I get rain, it's only for a northern area, but I'm surprised to see 2 whole states are experiencing some rain. I'm just kind of surprised about that. So, and here's what the future looks like as in for today. Let me zoom out a little bit. Show you. Hold on for a second. Alright. So look at the forecast for today and the future around here. And for now, Detroit is not okay. So while it's still playing the radar, I will talk about what the weather forecast is for some areas, so I can keep you informed of today for your plans or not. And I apologize, I did not know it would go black. I thought it was like almost like it would still go on, just like how a YouTube video is playing. But other than that, alright. So for now, south of Detroit area of Michigan is in along with southern Lansing is at this time right now 9:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but for Michigan, 8:55 a.m. Central Standard Time or Eastern Standard Time. Either way, or if it's Eastern Standard Time, 9:56 area. Either way, for now, south of Detroit and south of Lansing, and along with south of Grand Rapids, which means that around in the Kalamazoo area of Michigan is experiencing rain so far right now. And then later on around at the 2 p.m. area, or for Central Time, 1 p.m. area, Detroit, Lansing, Grand Rapids, and most popular cities, which means Kalamazoo, Grand Rapids, Lansing, and Detroit, will be experiencing flooding. Will experience rain around 1 p.m. Central Standard Time or 2 p.m. area Eastern Standard Time. So and so far right now, heavy rain is going on around the southern central area. So which means right now New Orleans. So right now, Baton Rouge is experiencing heavy rain. Then around at 1:46 or 12:46 Central Time, or 1:46 Eastern Time, New Orleans will be experiencing heavy rain along, and so far, Jackson, Mississippi, is also experiencing heavy rain as of right now. Then the rain will continue to Birmingham, Montgomery, and possibly south of Mobile around the Gulf of Mexico area. The heavy rain will also go through Nashville and Jefferson City. And around the area, light rain and between heavy and light rain is at this point going around between Des Moines and Davenport. Des Moines, Iowa, and between Davenport, Iowa. It may look a little confusing, but Davenport belong to the area of Iowa. So right now, some light rain and heavy rain between light and heavy is already experiencing so far around Cedar Rapids, which means between Des Moines and Davenport. Northern Illinois, around from Davenport, Iowa, all the way up, even including with the Chicago metropolitan area, is also experiencing it's rain, and along with southern Wisconsin, which means Milwaukee, and even the capital, Madison of Wisconsin. And this is a close-up view of radar. So right now, Lansing is experiencing light rain, and southern Detroit is also experiencing, and then the southern area of Detroit near the Ohio borderline where Toledo is will be experiencing rain so far as of right now. And around later on today, Detroit will experience it as well. And the area of the New York and Canada border area is also experiencing rain. Now, for snow, there is some snow going on in Canada, but if you want the United States snow area, northern New Hampshire, northern Vermont, or northeastern Vermont area is experiencing some snow, along with the northeastern area between the Vermont New York state line, and the Canada borderline, both in Vermont and in Canada border area has snow at this point, and most of Maine is also experiencing some snow, surprisingly as well, and along with rain as well. Okay, so here's what's going on in Maine. Most of the area of Maine is experiencing snow. Now, as you can see in the weather forecasting right here, look very closely, as you can tell. So right here, around and on the right of the screen that you're looking at, the light snow has border right here. Which means the snow going on in Maine and in the eastern Canada, the country, it's experiencing some between light and heavy snow. Now, I can't confirm how many inches of snow it is because I'm not in Maine, and besides, even if I was, it doesn't show the inches anywhere. So basically, in the eastern area, or where between around the Mid-Atlantic and most of the central states is experiencing rain. On the other hand, the states near the borders of Canada are experiencing some snow, along with most of Quebec state is also experiencing some snow as well, and along with Ottawa. That's your weather forecast for today.